Hey, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back again. It's somebody Technoboy, and here you can see that's the Logitech control pod right there. It's turned on now. These three are my Pioneer speaker setup. It's a 5.1 setup, so I don't have the 0.1 the subwoofer. I just have all the five speakers: the left, the center, and the right, and the surround left at the back right there, and surround left right there behind my back. So these are Pioneer speakers, and these are connected to that Logitech Z5500 5.1 THX certified home theater. The subwoofer is right there, right under the table. So the Logitech speaker, the five channel, they are all gone and broken, kind of damaged. So these are the same or higher quality speakers than the Logitech one. So I've connected to this one. Just the subwoofer is from Logitech because that's the main unit. You cannot use the Logitech unit without the main subwoofer unit. So from Logitech, I have this control pod and the subwoofer right there, and for the five channels I have this Pioneer setup. So today I'm gonna do some detailed sound test with and without the subwoofer, so you can clearly understand the sound difference and clarity and all. So let's start. First of all, without the bass, the subwoofer, only the channels. So let's start the show. So that's the sound without the subwoofer. Now let's turn the subwoofer on and check this same song again.